Hello, my name is Tatjana Joy. The focus of this week's topic is consumer safety of different medications and also products they use, for example, toys and other products. And this is for the FAU regulation class. Are medications we take on a daily basis actually safe to use? Who regulates these? How are they checked? Thalidomide was a medication that was given in the 1950s to relieve nausea in pregnant women, in a large number in Europe and in some women in the US. Due to the effects of this medication, there was an increased malformation of limbs in babies. In Europe, it was thousands. In the US, it was only a smaller number because it was not FDA approved in the US and only used on a trial basis. This medication was eventually banned in 1962 due to the research linked that it caused birth defects in newborn babies. In 1962, the Cofer-Harris Amendment to the Pure Food and Drug Act, which stipulated animal testing data and human trials needed to be implemented, was enacted. How long does it take to test our medications? In the late 1980s, many people were dying of AIDS. A swift drug approval plan was needed. AZT is an AIDS medication, and it was approved in a little over 18 months. Up until that point, medications had taken almost 10 years to be approved. This is important, very important in people that are dying at a fast pace. In the EU, the EMEA took 8 months for drug approval. Are children toys safe? Who tests them? A PVC known as phthalates has been linked to cancer. This is used by toy manufacturers to make plastic more flexible. The EPA determined in the 1980s that the toxins such as DEHP had this increased risk of cancer. For example, in Barbie dolls, the Barbie skin is, a plastic is used in the Barbie skin called polyvinyl chloride. They add plasters to the plastic to make it more durable, softer, flexible, moldable, and to give it that rubbery feel. However, this has been linked to cancer, and many of the companies stopped using it in 1986. We can conclude that it is very important to regulate the medications that we ingest and the products that we use. The references are Vogel, 2012, and some of the image references. Thank you very much, everybody.